lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Gnomes take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi Fire Signs! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for November the 18th to November the 14th. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko pong humingi ng tawa dahil naputol yung video natin, etong the most recent. As you will know, that time ay yung isa sa family members natin ay nasa hospital. And yung time ng pagkaputol na yun yung dumating yung balita sa amin na wala na siya. So, again, gusto pong humingi ng tawad. So, pasensya na naputol, pero kailangan namin magmadali at pumunta ng hospital. But anyway, things are uncontrollable. There are things that we cannot control, but to accept the fact, ganun talaga, tuloy ang buhay. So, from the bottom of my heart, pasensya na. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Alright? So, simulan na natin. Bakit ang pagkakatingin ko dito, meron tayong mga sabihin natin gustong idulog, Whether it is through legal process, I feel like meron tayong gustong isuplong, Whether this is our partner, our, sabihin nating, close families, Whether it is, again, legal or barangay, or isumbong sa parents, You feel like you are gathering some information in here. Pinag-isipang mabuti. Ang maganda dito kasi hindi ka nagpadalos-dalos ng iyong kilos. At first, medyo nanaig ang emotion. Medyo nanaig ang, kumbaga, syempre kapag kahit anong emosyon, kapag sobra, kapag labis, kapag nandun tayo sa peak, nandun yung parang madadala talaga tayo. Whether it is sobrang saya, sobrang lungkot. At first, medyo nadadala tayo because of the galit, Pero ang nakikita ko dito, mas pinili mong maging the bigger person, So, I feel like right now, medyo we are standing our ground. So it felt like pwedeng may bouncy, Bouncy ba? Bouncy? I'm sorry, hindi ko kasi alam yung ganyan, So, kala mo naman lumaki sa tahimik na pamilya. Ayan. Pero hindi ko talaga alam kung ano, bouncy yata ang tawag doon, Or women's desk, Child and women's desk, I don't know. So, what you are doing in here is kumbaga, what you wanted is for you to attain and gain justice. Ayan. Napakaganda dahil maraming mga bagay dito na sabihin natin pinag-iisipang mabuti, Pwedeng it's also just a plan, It might not be, kumbaga, nandun tayo sa gagawin ko ba? Ano ba yung makakabuti, Is it going to binalaglag. Is it going to uh is it going to be for the greater good of the many, or is it just, kung magkakagulo ba, kung ako ba, no? Kung ako lang ba makikinabang or mas maraming makikinabang, no? So what I am seeing in here is more of now, uh logic is important rather than the emotion, no? Yun yung nakikita ko dito. With the star, the 8 of Cups, and the 10 of Wands. So it felt like this time, parang nawawala yung emosyon, nawawala yung pwedeng sabihin nating sympathy. For a few numbers of you, kumbaga sinarado ang pinto for emotion, sinarado. I hope that siguro wag naman ang pagiging, kasi when it comes to morality, ibang usapan yan. There are times when we do things out of morality, and it should be, no? Kasi we are human, na sometimes the sympathy, no? Are, sabihin natin, hindi na look at. What I'm trying to say here, kung ano ang tama, no? So, ang sayo, ang importante, makamit ko yung justice, kasi in the first place, I became too lenient with things, no? The 10 of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. Hindi pwedeng walang magbayad, no? What you feel like, hindi mo naman aabusuhin, no? Itong justice system or itong justice na gusto mong makuha, but it kind of make me feel like hindi naman din ako papayag, no? Because I feel like I was abused, I was used. Kailangan merong compensation, no? Especially for those sakit, no? Actually, kahit magkano naman yan, hindi mapapantayan yung sakit, yung trouble, no, ng isip, anxiety, no? Yung sa'yo kahit paano ay pampalubag loob. Siguro merong mga hindi dito nakapasok, merong mga gustong gawin, no, na hindi nagawa, ipinagpaliban, nag-invest, no, naglabas ng pera out of their pocket. So it felt like hindi naman yung lintik lang ang walang ganti, 'di ba? Pero kasi nananahimik sana yung funds, no? Nananahimik sana, kaso nagamit ko para dito. Ayan. So, let's check here with a Page of Cups and the 4 of Swords. So, I feel like hindi pa naman ito na isa-serve. Wala pa doon tayo sa part na we're already doing the steps, but I feel like somewhat, no, you are looking on a bigger perspective, looking for, hindi ito pang isang taong galawan lang. I feel like you are needing, no, other people's in here, other person, especially for those who are, sabihin nating, who is specialized on such areas. It could be a lawyer, it could be the chairman, no? It could be the mom, no? Katulad ng sinabi ko, what you are doing here is gathering some information or gathering some funds. With the Knight of Wands, the 4 of Pentacles. Oh, wow. Feeling ko, no, matagal na itong plano. Hindi lang maisakatuparan, whether it is may kakulangan sa energy, it could be an energy of tapang dati, no? Parang ngayon nasagad ka, or it could be an energy of finances. So parang feeling mo, up until now, no, kapag ginawa ko ba ito, kailangan ko bang mag-stop sa work? I feel like kailangan ko muna mag-ipon ng lakas, mag-ipon ng funds, no? And I feel na ito yung time na sinabi mo, I think I'm ready. I think that this is the time. I think that this is, me moving forward. Or there could also be, sabihin natin kasi, pinagpaliban muna, no? Ipagpapaliban ko muna ito. The reason being is because I cannot give everything, no? Just for the sake of the justice per se. So, what I'm doing right now is siguro iniipon ko muna, no? Whether it is iniipon ko yung aking lakas, iniipon ko yung funds, iniipon ko yung information, no? But one day, someday, babalikan ko yan, no? One day, someday, I'm going to open that box. I'm going to reopen, no? Or ask for reconsideration if there's already, sabihin nating, kunyari meron ng legal matters, as it felt like, parang feeling ko, napagtulungan ako, no? Parang feeling ko, okay, sige, ibibigay ko muna sa inyo yung panahon na yan, no? Pero hindi pwedeng hindi ko makukuha yung para sa akin. For a few numbers of you, it could also be with some finances. It could also be because there are Page of Cups in here. So I'm seeing here that it has something to do with, it could be a child kind of funds, no? Para sa mga anak, dun sa mga anak. Para at least sa mga anak lang, huwag mo na akong intindihin, no? Hindi lang naman ako ang gumawa nito, tayong dalawa ang gumawa nito. So it felt like it is your right, no? Yung panagutan man lang itong kahit yung magsustento, no? Sa iyong mga anak. With the Moon card, the Ten of Cups, and the Three of Cups. So I feel like there is a celebration, no? Na nasa iyo ang huling halakhak. It may be at that moment in time, sabihin natin, nagkamali tayo sa isang decision, nagkamali tayo sa isang actions, and we felt like, it felt like to me you've learned something from the past experiences. It could be also, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, na siguro dati, we are broadcasting things, our emotion, our next step. Now, we've learned from those mistakes, and I am seeing right now, you are on the right path, no, towards either success, celebration, success towards building a family, especially for those who are in a third-party situation. And it felt like to me, no, hindi ipaglalaban ko yung karapatan ng family ko. Ipaglalaban ko yung karapatan ng anak ko, no? Or ipaglalaban ko yung holiness of yung sacrament, no, ng holy matrimony. I'm seeing your celebration. Again, ang huling halakhak ay nasa iyo. So, congratulations dahil hindi rin biro, no? Itong iyong mga pinagdaanan. It felt like you are in a roller coaster ride. Our takeaways here is yung mga natutunan natin from the past, no? I feel like hindi mo na siya gagawin dahil katulad ng sinabi ko, you're keeping everything to yourself. As of the moment ngayon, hindi ka na nila basang-basa, hindi ka na nila kayang basahin, hindi na nila alam kung ano yung mga next move mo. You've grown a lot, no? Learning experience, no? Itong mga past situations, past learnings. Our takeaways here is, now you're going to see the growth. And now you're going to get, no, the answers, the justice, no, on what you are kind of like hoping for. wanting to achieve in this situation. So, let's check your fire signs kung ano, no, itong mga zodiac signs or ano ang zodiac sign na nakakapaloob dito. It could be a person, it could be your person, it could be the people involved in here. It may be their sun sign or a placement in their chart, no? I'm seeing Aquarius, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer. Water placements are very dominant in here. Also, earth signs, Capricorn are also in here. So this is your reading, fire signs. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? So kung meron po kayong mga tanong dito sa ating readings, there is a link, no? Pwede kayong magtanong, no, dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating link sa ating website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. So makikita nyo po doon yung ating question form. Bago nyo sagutin, pakihanap na lang po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. Nandun din po yung mga QR codes. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Paalam po. Fire signs. Goodbye.
You want